Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to send Cardano from Binance to your Trezor wallet in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you move your ADA safely and efficiently, so let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need a Binance account with some Cardano, ADA, in it, your Trezor hardware wallet set up and connected to your computer, and the Trezor Suite app installed. Oh, and always double-check that you're on the official websites to avoid any phishing scams. Security is key in crypto. Alright, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for Cardano or ADA in the withdrawal options. You'll see a field for the wallet address. That's where your Trezor comes in. Step 2. On your Trezor device, open the Trezor Suite app and navigate to the Cardano wallet. Generate or select your ADA receiving address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to your clipboard. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Trezor screen to make sure it's correct. Mistakes here can lead to permanent loss of funds. Now, back on Binance, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, but remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Once you've done that, sit back and wait. Transactions on the Cardano blockchain are usually pretty fast, but it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. You'll get a confirmation email from Binance, and you can check your Trezor wallet to see when the funds arrive. There you have it, folks. You've just securely transferred your Cardano to your Trezor wallet. This is a game changer for keeping your crypto safe from hacks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.